એને એક વાત વારંવાર કહેવાનું થાય તો ઇટ ઇઝ નોટ ફેર. યુ આર પીજી સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ. આપણે કેજીમાં નથી કે નાના બાળકો હોય એને બહુ વાર લાગે સમજતા, એટલે ધીરે ધીરે સમજાવવું પડે, રિપીટ કરવું પડે. સ્કૂલ માટે બરાબર છે, નોટ ફોર યુનિવર્સિટી, નોટ ફોર પીજી સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ, કે એક જ વાત રોજ રિપીટ કરવી પડે એ યોગ્ય ન કહેવાય. Yes, you can start.
Hello, good afternoon all. Today I am dealing with Jonathan Swift as a satirist. This is my personal information. Table of content. First, introduction of Jonathan Swift, definition of satire, Jonathan Swift early works, satire technique, impact of Swift satire, citation, and then conclusion. Introduction. Jonathan Swift is one of the most remarkable British writers of the 70th and 80th century. He is well known for his work like Gulliver Travels, A Tale of a Tub, A Modest Proposal, etc. Swift is also distinguished for his political pamphlet, essay of coarse satire. Modern literary critic Disney distinguishes Swift as is one of the greatest satirists in the English literature. Swift uses specific satire called juvenalian. It means any bitter and ironic criticism some contemporary person and institution that filled with personal invective, angry moral indignation, and pessimism. Is Jonathan Swift's famous quote. Satire is a shot of glass wherein beholders do generally discover everybody's face but their own. Jonathan Swift early satirical work. First, A Tale of Tug. This work a satirical exploration of religious and political themes. It is a complex, elo- elegiacal text that use a variety of style tones from mock heroic to the grotesque. The Battle of Bo. This is the short satirical work in which Swift humorously depicts a battle between books representing ancient and modern scholars. Draper's Letter. Under the pseudonym M.B. Draper, Swift wrote this letter as a protest against the imposition of wood alphins in Ireland. His style is direct, passionately patriotic, and railing in Irish against British economic exploitation. A modest proposal. One of the most famous works, Swift suggests a satirical solution, the problem overpopulation. Travels. Gulliver Travels stands a classical example of his satirical genius using allegory and fantasy to expose the follies and vice of society. Definition of satire. Satire, satire easy definition is a use of witty humor and wit and parody mean to contradict social and political commentary to the time. Type of satire. Horatian satire. Horatian satire tends to be good natured and light-hearted, looking to raise laughter to encourage moral improvement. A famous example of Horatian satire is the 18th century poet Alexander Pope's poem The Rape of the Lock. Juvenalian satire. Juvenalian satire tends to be more bitter and dark, expressing anger and outrage of state of the world. A famous example of Juvenalian satire is another 18th century writer Jonathan Swift, A Modest Proposal. Menipine satire. Menipine satire is a reservoir for the prose work. Satirical resemble the original connection of satire, miscellany and containing multitude. Satiric technique. This is a satirical work. Jonathan Swift used satirical technique. First is irony. Irony. Swift was a master of verbal irony. where the intent meaning of statement is opposite in literal meaning. An excellent example in modest proposal, wherein the suggest the improvement here is family should sell the children as a source of income. Sarcasm. Swift frequently employed a sarcasm, a form of verbal irony characterized by the mocking, contemptuous of contemptuous language parody. Swift often used parody, a technique where he imitated, exaggerated the style of writer work, ridiculed them, hyperbole. Ex- Exaggeration is the another common technique in Swift satire. Double entendre. Swift something employed a double meaning and ambiguous language to create humor and irony in his work. Swift target. In this satirical work, Swift Modest Proposal is a satirical essay in that targets several specific individual, institute, and societal issues. Swift primarily targets British government and politics in Ireland. Swift also target in wealthy English landlords who were absentee landlords in Ireland. Impact of Swift satire. First, literary satire. Swift's works are prime example of satirical literature. He used the humor and wit to critique flaws and absurdity of society, politics, and human nature. This style of satire influenced George Orwell and volunteered in work, political and social commentary. Swift satire often took at the political and social injustice of his time. A modest proposal, for example, was a scathing critique on British exploitation of Ireland. Swift legacy. Swift works remain relevant and influence in contemporary literature and political discourse. His use of irony and exaggeration to expose hypocrisy and corruption is become a template for modern satirists and political commentators. His impact can be seen the work of satirical television show, cartoon, and endorical column. Conclusion. Jonathan Swift is a renowned Irish author and satirist, left at the indelible mark of the literature through skating to thought-provoking satirical work. His wit and humor were powerful tools through which critique in social, politics, and moral issue on his time. In conclusion, Jonathan Swift's legacy as a satirist induce and work continue to be studied and appreciated for insight commentary on human nature and society. This is a reference. Thank you. Now ready for question.
So Jay, my question is, can you provide example of specific works by Jonathan Swift where he implements satire to critique political or social issue of this time?
These many Jonathan Swift main major work is Modest Proposal, Gulliver Travel, Tale of the. We can see the social and political main aspect of Jonathan Swift. So there are example are employed satire to critique political or social issue on his time.
So then my question is, what is the impact of Swift's satire in contemporary time?
The Swift satire in contemporary times, the several is a major work is Gulliver Travels, Modest Proposal, and Tale of the. We can see you in contemporary times. We can see in Bollywood time he use a tale of a tub as a tale of a tub as a contemporary time to movie making on Jajantaram and Jajantaram Mantram. That was so and swift satirical technique is many satires used in contemporary times. Thank you.